everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 13 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1950 Ford Woody Wagon. Priced at $49,900. This 1975 VW is powered by a 350 small block with 4-bolt mains, a mild hydraulic 501 cam, aluminum roller rockers, a dual timing chain, and 202 heads. Fuel delivery is handled by dual 550 CFM quick fuel carburetors on a Wien tunnel ram intake, with spark provided by an MSD electronic ignition system. The drivetrain includes a 9 inches Ford rear end with 3.50 Posey gears, backed by ladder bars and coilovers. Braking is handled by 4-wheel power disc brakes sourced from a 2003 Ford Explorer. The car also features power steering, tilt column, and power windows. Cooling is assisted by triple electric fans. Out back, the car rides on 29x 18.5 R15 Mickey Thompson tires mounted on 15 by 15 wheels, with 15 by 7 wheels up front. A 16-gallon fuel cell is installed, and the car is equipped with both electric and manual fuel pumps. Additional features include front and rear dash cameras. The seller has documentation and build photos and is open to trades. Located in Suffolk County, Long Island, New York. Number 2. The 1971 Chevrolet Nova Custom Build. Priced at $41,500. According to the seller, this 1972 Nova Prostreet is powered by a supercharged 468 big block with a solid roller cam and aluminum snowflake heads. It features a Don Hampton 871 blower, paired with dual 650 Holley blower carburetors. The internals include diamond blower pistons, solid lifter with roller rockers, a Moroso deep oil pan, and a Melling oil pump. The powertrain includes a TCI-built turbo 350 transmission with a 2800 stall converter and a custom-cut driveshaft. Out back, it's equipped with a narrowed and braced Ford 9 inches rear end with 4.11 gears and shortened Moser axles. Suspension consists of ladder bars with QA1 coilovers in the rear and front drag shocks. The car features front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. Other features include a B&M megashifter, MSD ignition, custom fuel plumbing, a custom carburetor linkage setup, and hooker headers with Borla XS Pro mufflers. The car rides on 15 by 15 weld wheels in the rear with 33 by 22.5 Mickey Thompson tires and 3.5 by 15 front tires. The body has a roll cage and subframe connectors. Located in New York, America Sericat, Staten Island. Number 3. The 1967 Plymouth Barracuda. Priced at $25,000. As the seller notes, this 1967 Barracuda is powered by a 440 engine, paired with a Powerglide transmission. Out back, it runs a Dana 60 rear end. The car features custom headers and a roll cage. The overall condition is described as used but good. The seller emphasizes that it's a cash-only deal, no trades or time wasters. Located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Number 4. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Priced at $37,500. This 1979 Malibu Prostreet is built around a professionally assembled 454 big block by Big L's Toy Box, now topped with a polished 671 blower. The engine is based on a Dart block board .030 over to 461 cubic inches and features forged internals, including an SFI-rated crank, eagle rods, and 8.2:1 compression forged pistons. A comp cam's roller setup and cast-iron rectangular port heads round out the valve train, supported by Jomar stud girdles and Manley components. Fuel is delivered through dual Demon 800 CFM carbs, and ignition is handled by an MSD system. The whole combination is said to be dyno-tuned and synchronized, making around 700 horsepower. Despite the high-performance setup, the car reportedly runs fine on premium pump gas with occasional octane booster. Backing the power plant is a turbo 400 transmission. The Malibu also features remote-operated door poppers and power seats. The seller mentions that the car is streetable and is open to a possible trade for a clean 1968 to 1972 Nova. Located in Yorktown, Virginia. Number 5. The 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Priced at $22,500. According to the seller, this 1970 Dodge is a street strip-style build with a 440 big block engine, mated to a 727 automatic transmission. Out back, it sports an 8 3/4-inch rear end with 4.30 gears and full spool. The car has been mini-tubbed and is equipped with Willwood front disc brakes, a roll cage, and a silver exterior with a black interior. The seller states that the car is solid and rust-free. The car was designed to run on 110-octane fuel for racing, or a blend of racing and premium for daily use. As a note to the seller, this is not a show car and may not appeal to those looking for a polished look. It is more of a functional street-style drag car. Located in Willets, Maryland. Number 6. The 1964 Chevrolet C10. Priced at $69,900. Rev it up. This 1964 C10 truck is powered by a Dart Little M400 engine with a B&M blower and dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors. The engine has been balanced, blueprint, and dyno tuned by K-Tech. Other components include JE pistons, Crane hydraulic roller cam, Jezel rocker arms, Eagle connecting rods, and Canfield aluminum cylinder heads. Ignition is handled by an MSD system. It is equipped with fluid dampers and components from Moroso. The truck sits on an Art Morrison 4-link chassis. The TH400 automatic transmission and rear setup are designed for straight-line performance. According to the seller, there is complete documentation for all components and work. The truck is said to be a high-quality build and costs 6 figures. Located in Poughkeepsie, New York. Number 7. The 1948 Ford Anglia. Priced at $75,000. According to the seller, this 1948 Ford is powered by a 468 big block engine with an 871 supercharger, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, and is set up for street performance. The seller states that the car is comfortable to drive on public roads and has a custom exterior paint finish. The car has a clean title. Located in Marshall, Michigan. Number 8. The 1966 Chevy 2 Nova. Priced at $68,000. This 1966 Nova is equipped with a 350 motor with a blower and a turbo 400 transmission. It uses a ZZ4 crate motor with high-performance cylinder heads and an exhaust system using fender well headers. The interior features a digital dash and large rear wheel tubs. It also features disc brakes on all 4 wheels. The exterior is painted in a combination of burgundy and dark gray, while the interior is black. According to the seller, the car is in good running condition. The car has a clean title and the seller is not interested in trades. Located in California, Missouri. Number 9. The 1963 Ford Falcon. Priced at $30,000. According to the seller, this Ford Falcon Prostreet has a new full-frame setup. It is equipped with a 4-link rear suspension and a Mustang 2-style front suspension with coilovers. It is equipped with Willwood disc brakes on all 4 wheels. Rear wheels are double beadlock street lights. Front wheels are custom. Engine, 306 small block Ford. C4 automatic transmission with manual reverse valve body and 3,500 RPM stall converter. Seller is also including a fiberglass cowl hood as part of the sale. Seller is open to trades, but is particularly interested in the 4x4 crew cab truck. Serious buyers only. Car has a clean title. Located in Ashland, Kentucky. Number 10. The 1934 Studebaker Dictator. Priced at $29,000. According to the seller, this Studebaker Dictator Prostreet is a work in progress, about 85% complete. 406-stroker engine, 3-link suspension, and professional chopping and channeling have been done. Painted in Candy Viper Blue. The engine was recently built but has never been ridden. Still needs glass, door handles, full interior, and some basic electrical work, especially on lights. The seller has receipts for over $40,000 in parts, but is only asking $29,000. Open to trades for new Harley or Ford F-150, also open to other offers. Located in Santan Valley, Arizona. Number 11. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Priced at $70,000. This 1969 Camaro is equipped with a 502 crate engine, mated to a TH400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body and a 3,200 RPM stall converter. Other features include B&M 671 blower, dual Demon 850 carburetors, MSD distributor, and hooker headers. Also equipped is a 16-gallon fuel tank, Curry Ford 9 inches rear end with 3.89 gears, and a Caltrax rear suspension. The chassis is reinforced with an 8-point roll cage. The car reportedly produces 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. Additional features include line lock, trans brake, 5-point seat belts, power steering, power brakes, and a full Pioneer audio system. The body is rust-free and leak-free. The car runs great. It has been owned by the current owner for 23 years and has a clean California title. Located in Irvine, California. Number 12. The 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser. Priced at $110,000. This 1941 Willys features a fiberglass body with a tilt hood and Dakota digital hydraulics. Other features: adjustable mirrors, Colorado custom wheels, and an Air Ride Tech airbag suspension. Interior is upholstered in Voss leather with rainfall stitching. Power comes from a 502 ramjet crate motor with chrome accents. Transmission, 4L60E, designed to handle up to 800 HP, features an electronic shift kit from Jegs. Additional components: chrome valve covers, alternator, air conditioning pump, and power steering pump. Also equipped: flaming river steering column with cruise control, tilt, and 4-way flasher, custom steering wheel, tubular control arms, and power disc brakes on all 4 wheels with 11-inch rotors. Other features include third brake light, VDO gauges, 15-gallon stainless gas tank with internal fuel pump, and a vintage air system with heater and defogger. There is also a power lift trunk, emergency handbrake, Pioneer AM/FM/CD with Bluetooth, front turn signals, powder-coated headers, and a 4-inch stainless exhaust without muffler. The cooling system is an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. The rear end is a Ford 9 inches with 3.73 PY gears and 18-inch Hoosier rear tires. The sale includes an enclosed trailer with winch. The seller states that over $250,000 has been invested in this project. Located in New York City. Number 13. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS. Priced at $59,000. This 1972 Nova is a street-legal build with a claimed 2,000 horsepower, powered by a 632 big block Chevy engine with a 14-71 blower. According to the seller, the car has never been raced and still has the NOS system, although it has never been used. The body is painted red with a black interior. It still has a complete interior, although it is equipped with a full roll cage. The seller states that he is the second owner and is open to trades for rat rods, hot rods, or a 57 Chevy that has been built, and other classic vehicles. Located in Dickinson, Texas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.